Hello friends and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete Gmail account from your Android phone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under the video, and also write comments after watching. So, let's get started friends. And please open the settings on your Android device. Then in Settings, you'll need to scroll down, usually it's at the bottom, and find an option called Accounts. With me, it's User and Account. You might have it a little bit differently, but you should have the word Accounts. Click on that, and that's where I got all my accounts right away. But because all Android phones have different menus, you might need to open up the Accounts Management feature first, which will take you to a similar accounts page. So friends, when you open them, you'll be able to see here a list of different accounts. I have this Facebook, Telegram, Messenger, and there are a few and also Gmail accounts. And in order to delete, let's say, one of them, click on it. Next, click Delete Account. After that, friends, you'll just have to confirm your action by clicking Delete Account once again. In this quick and easy way, you can delete your Gmail account from your Android phone. Friends, I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please don't forget to put your likes under the video, write comments, also subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.